Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on the Starry Swirl drag marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco's Peely base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'll be starting off with a base of board meeting, and then for the drag marble, I'm going to be using Freezer Burn, Sparkling Water, Blue Freezie, Sunken Secrets, and I'll be finishing the whole thing off with Reflective Taco. I'm going to be applying another layer of the blue polish, and then I'll be dabbing on each of the other four colors and swirling through with a striper brush. If any of the drag marbling overflows as you're working, you can clean up with an orange stick. And now that I'm done, I'm going to go in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to add a layer of Reflective Taco. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. This was another occasion where I really wasn't sure what I was going to be doing on my nails, but after a little bit of brainstorming and some testing, we decided on this, and it all came together really well. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can see all of the different sparkle we have going on here, from the holo to the shimmer to the reflective. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.